Hi everyone, I'm Gerry Taylor. I'm the Director of Public Health for Sunderland. I hope everyone had a lovely bank holiday break and enjoyed the sunshine outdoors. As you may have seen in his briefing, the Prime Minister has set out the latest lockdown easing measures for England. He confirmed that we're now moving to step 2 of unlocking from Monday the 12th of April, and there are a number of changes that affect us all. From next Monday, you'll see non-essential shops reopening in Sunderland, and hospitality venues can serve food and drinks outdoors if they're able to socially distance customers. Hairdressers and nail salons can also reopen, as can public buildings, including our libraries and community centres. Gyms will reopen, but only for use by people on their own or in household groups, as will most outdoor visitor attractions. Care home visits will also increase from 1 to 2 per visit. This latest step forward is positive news for us all and brings us ever closer to normality. But it's important that as lockdown measures ease, we continue to move forwards together cautiously. When you're out and about in our community, please remember the hands, face, space advice. It's still one of the most effective things you can do to minimise your risk of transmitting or contracting the virus. I would advise that if shops or venues you're visiting are busy and you're unable to socially distance effectively, return at a later time or date. Whilst it's also tempting, as we unlock, to invite friends and family into our homes to eat, drink and play, we know that the virus spreads much more quickly and easily indoors. It's harder to socially distance effectively inside, and there's less fresh air to disperse the COVID. So please continue to meet outdoors in groups of 6 or 2 households and work from home if you can. We know vaccines are highly effective in protecting us, and 60% of the UK population have now been offered their first dose. In fact, we're leading the way with vaccination here in the North East. Nationally, over 5 million people have also had their second dose, and I urge everyone who is offered their first or their second dose to attend their appointment. It's our best chance of protection. The more of us that are vaccinated with both doses, the safer we will all be. However, no vaccine is 100% effective, and there's still some way to go. While the rollout continues, we must remain vigilant and we must move through the lockdown easing measures. It's also important that if you have secondary school age children, you continue to keep using the self-test kits over the Easter holidays. Remember to test all household members, excluding primary school age children, twice a week and report your results to the NHS. If you need more kits, you can order them free online via the government.uk website. Thanks once again for all you are doing to support each other and our community, for getting your vaccine, for following the government guidance and helping to slow the spread here in Sunderland. We're moving ever closer together to a brighter future, and if we can proceed steadily and cautiously, we'll get there together. And of course, thanks again for listening.